Hi! This is the associative property of addition and multiplication. The value of adding 4 after doing 2 plus 3 is the same as adding 2 after doing 3 plus 4. Do I have to call this simple fact a property? Do I really need to learn it on purpose? While thinking about this, I fell asleep. Wake up! Wake up! I woke up startled. Surprisingly, mathematician Gauss was standing in front. He was glaring at me with his arms crossed. I will explain how important and useful the associative property is. So listen carefully. Here is a problem to find the sum from 1 to 100. I changed this problem like this and solved it very quickly. Very beautiful, right? It is the associative property that allows me to do so. The associative property opens the way to solving problems in various ways. Oh no, still don't understand? I will explain in detail. The basic rule of mathematics is to perform calculations in order from the beginning. Add 2 to 1, add 3 to that value, add 4 to that value, and so on. Please solve this problem only by following this rule. Probably you will be incredibly annoyed. You will find an easier and simpler solution. To find an alternative solution, you have to change the expression itself. It is to change the order of operations. However, you can't change the order of operations at will. In math, you always have to follow the authorized rules. One of the rules that allows us to change the expression is the associative property. In addition of 3 numbers, whether you calculate from the front or the back, the value is the same. So, the expression 2 plus 3 plus 4 can be changed into the expression 3 plus 4 plus 2. It's okay in the case of adding more than 3 numbers. You can choose where you want and start adding from there. The associative property enables us to choose where to start doing operations. Let's apply the associative property to this problem. Where to start calculating? I chose 99 plus 100 first. It's like putting parentheses on this part. And apply the commutative property here. The law that says you can change the position of the front and the back. Then 99 plus 100 becomes 100 plus 99. Anyway, the expression has changed. Now, we will calculate 98 plus 100. If you apply the commutative property, 98 plus 100 becomes 100 plus 98. The expression has changed again. 100 is moving forward. If you repeat this process, the original expression can be changed like this. Now, we are going to change the position of the last 99 like 100. Of course, by applying the associative and commutative properties. The expression is changed again like this. Apply this process to the remaining numbers. The problem eventually turns into this. This problem is solved very easily. The associative property allows us to freely choose the order of operations. So in the end, it allows us to transform a given problem into another form and to find alternative, easier and simpler solutions. When an operation is given, we must first check whether the associative property holds in that operation. The solutions will vary depending on the result. Good job, boy. Thank you.